Hello students. Now you might be thinking, what's new today? Yes, you all know English is an international language. It is the need of the hour. English plays an important role in our everyday life. There is great utility of English in modern world. In this land of innumerable regional languages in different states, English serves as a linked language in the country. Dear students, I personally feel that it is very important to know English in order to stand out in the crowd. Not only for connecting to our countrymen, but in this time of globalization, English plays an important role in conducting any sort of business with our foreign countries. Now let's begin with speaking skills. Let's talk. Have you ever found yourself in that awkward situation where you are face to face with an acquaintance and you are forced to make some kind of conversation? Whether you were expecting to be with this person or not, you are now stuck in the moment trying to come up with small talk topics but struggling to know exactly what to say. How were your holidays? What do you think about this movie? Do you have any plans for the weekend? The prospect of having these short conversations can lead to anxiety as you try to straddle saying enough while not saying the wrong thing. Let's have some small talk topics you can bring up in these uncomfortable situations that will seem neither forced nor awkward. What is small talk? Small talk is a polite conversation you have during social interactions. People like those who are confident enough. It is important to remember that small talk is not only a method of communication but also boosts up one's confidence. I hope you have understood the whole concept. It means we can gain confidence only while making just small conversations. So, dear students, converse with each other. Let's begin to make small talks. Don't hesitate before others. Never say, I cannot. By doing this, you will never become confident. And of course, English language will be a difficult language for you. Now here are some topics before you which you can use to start small conversations. Number 1. Tell about your likes, dislikes, your interest. Number 2. Which movies do you like and who is your favorite actor? Which one do you prefer the most? Hollywood or Bollywood? Number 3. Which is your favorite dish? Do you like junk food? Which vegetable or fruit you love the most? Number 4. What do you do in your leisure time? Gardening, listening to music, or any other? Number 5. Which is your favorite game? Which one do you prefer? Indoor game or outdoor game? Number 6. Do you like rainy season? Do you have raincoat? Do you like to visit a hill station during summer? And the last one is, which is your favorite place where you like to travel the most? Do you like reading books while traveling? So dear students, now I hope you have understood that how we can make small conversations using these topics and how we can make ourselves confident among others. So let's learn how to speak English language fluently and effectively.